Think before you speak, but read before you think, because a person who doesn't read is no better than the person who cannot read. Today, a reader, tomorrow, a leader. You don't have to burn books in order to destroy your culture. Just stop people from reading those books. Reading good books is like having a terrific conversation with the finest people of the past century. Hello viewers, I am Nimish Thakkar and welcome to my YouTube channel Step Up. Today I am here with yet another insightful, informative, eye-opening video on a life-changing gift that you can present either to yourself or to your loved one. This gift is something that I have been in touch with for the last 4 years. It is since early 2017, late 2016 and early 2017 that I have been reading Kindle, Amazon Kindle, and there are 10 rewarding, promising reasons as to why you should get obsessed or addicted to Amazon Kindle. Alright, so let us begin with the 10 empowering, jaw-dropping reasons behind why you should be, accustomed reading this Kindle. The reason number 1 is you can carry a library. This device has the capacity of carrying tens of thousands of books. So you don't have to pack your luggage with books wherever you go if you are a bibliophile. A bibliophile is someone who is a lover of book. The reason number 2 is the readers, they know that they have the habit of putting bookmark. Pick up from where you left off is what this device offers to you. Yes, people, you can actually go back to the point where you had left off reading automatically when you switch on this or when you screen on this device. So yes, this device of course is very, very friendly. Bookmark will be a thing of past, and pick up where you left off will be the order of the day. Reason number 3 is comfortable reading in one hand. This Kindle device happens to be lighter than any paperback book. So of course this is very rewarding and you can carry it in one hand. The 4th reason is you can read this without any nagging disturbance. Push notifications, emails, all those irritating, exasperating advertisements are now gone because this device facilitates a seamless reading without any nagging disturbance or distraction. The 5th jaw-dropping reason is it won't tire your eyes. Whether you are in scorching sun or you are in pitch darkness, there is a built-in light facility which will in fact enable you to read properly, and even in the sun it doesn't glare, right? So of course it provides you next generation reading experience. And this font, this graceful font called Bookerly, it comes very handy to you, so you can actually read without tiring your eyes, right? The 6th promising reason is to take and share notes. This device has the feature of highlighting the text that you have liked a lot, and you feel like preserving it, and you can also export it to your computer later on, right? So yes, you can highlight and share the notes, which of course is a very, very useful feature. 7th reason behind going for this kingly gift is enhancing your vocabulary. When we know that vocabulary happens to be the mainstay of conversation, vocabulary happens to be the alpha and omega of English language, of course when you press a word for more than a second on this Kindle while reading the text, it automatically shows up the meaning of the word through its inbuilt dictionary, and that word gets added to the vocab builder on an auto mode. Now this feature is really very helpful in enhancing one's vocabulary, because later on you can use this vocab builder which has been created by virtue of your reading the book and looking up for the words. You can use it as a flashcard for yourself. You can quiz yourself, you can quiz your friend, you can have your friend quiz you. Alright, so this is in fact a very thrilling, very exciting feature. The eighth thing is, we always have an apprehension. हमको थोड़ा डर लगता है कि whether should I buy this book or not, because I have not read at least a page or two of this book. So if this book doesn't perform up to its title, then what? This Kindle gives you an answer and a solution. You can easily download a sample of the book every time before you actually purchase the book. So you get a sample of 4 to 10 pages, and you can easily make your eyes and mind run through the sample of the book before you purchase the book. And if you find the sample to be up to your expectations, you can go for the book, otherwise not. The ninth feature is for the price conscious people. And who is not price conscious? It is always an exciting affair to save a few pennies, right? So what I'm saying is, the books are lowly priced. There are low prices for book. The paperback or the hardbound book which you get for X amount in the market. The Kindle books, which are e-books or Kindle books, you will get for 20 to 50% lower price, right? So yes, you save a lot by going for this Kindle books. And the final thing is, where is my charger? Oh no, I once charged my Kindle and I do not charge it for next 30 days. You have to charge it for once in many weeks. So one charge lasts for weeks and not days, right? So of course, once I charge and I read 2 to 3 hours on a daily basis, I charge after next 30 to 40 days. How rewarding. So my dear viewers, many authorities on wealth and language, they have said that if you want to change your future, if you want to live a life of your aspirations, of your dreams, you must read. So I thought that the device that has helped me a lot in changing my life, in enabling me, in supporting me to bring myself to a platform where I am today, I should share the same secret or the same strategy with you. Happy reading, and hope this video is of great use to you. Do comment in the comment section and let me know whether you like this video, and your suggestions will be precious to me. Do comment and like the video. Thank you. Take care. Nimish Thakkar signs off. Until we meet again.